This video we are going to be dealing with how to draw a circle of a given radius to touch a given straight line and an arc as shown. So in this case, the first thing, just like in the previous episode, you are going to so in this case, let our circle be a circle of radius 1 centimeter. So we are going to draw a radius of 1 centimeter. We'll draw a parallel line of 1 centimeter. So this is the procedure for drawing a parallel line. Open your compass to the distance and then draw. So now the next step is we are going to add the radius of the arc to the radius of the required circle. So what you need to do is you open your compass to the radius of the circle, then you add the radius. So from 9 to 10. The reason for that is that we have radius of the required circle as 1 centimeter. So we are going to add 1. So then we cut the parallel line. So then with that same center and the radius of the required circle, which is 1 centimeter, now we are going to draw a circle. So this circle we are going to draw is going to touch the original arc and line. It's going to touch them, the two of them. So this is the circle, and this circle is touching an arc and a straight line. Thanks for watching.